Now let's take a look at our odd JPY for the week. Let's start with our daily time frame, by the way. So this was our highs where our price came to tap and it actually fell. It also came up again and actually fall, giving us a double how do I call it, a double top, right? So this is actually another key level where our price came here. So it taps here, fell, it also came here, taps double, and it also is actually giving us that fall. So this week is that there's very much likely we would see our odd get to this our area lows before we actually see that bullish move on our odd JPY. Now this is also a level here which is our support area. We can see our price has come here and bounce up, our price comes here and bounce up, and we are actually seeing a fall again on our odd to our JPY. So very much likely once our odd gets to this area, we will be seeing that bounce up again on our odd. So on our odd to our JPY, we would want to see a bearish move, right? Once we get to that bearish move, then we will consider taking a buy on our odd JPY. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. On our 4-hour time frame, we are still on a bearish move. You can see the lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You can see another lower lows. Then sooner or later we will be having that lower highs serving as a pullback level, and then a fall again on our odd JPY as we are expecting to have anytime soon. Now let's take a look at our JPY index. That we should be very careful is that we can see this our key level here. Once our price came here, it hit this level, served as our resistance level, it came down, it also came up, hit our resistance level and came down, and now our price has actually run up to that our level there, and we are expecting a fall anytime soon, right? So once we start having that fall on our JPY index, then any pair related to our odd our JPY would actually be rising, which means once our JPY is starting to fall, then our odd will start rising. So this is why I said we are very much likely to have this bearish move, and if not if our price does not come to test this our area here as we are expecting it to on this our support level, then we will see this our pullback that we are expecting it to, we will see this our pullback as a bullish move, because once our JPY index starts falling, we would see a rise on our odd JPY. So just keep this in mind and watch out for it, that this our pullback we are expecting, it could actually be a reversal movement upward. Yes, we are expecting a pullback on our odd JPY. We are starting to have it little by little. So once our JPY starts falling, start dropping, then our odd JPY, as we are expecting to have a pullback upward, can actually be a reversal movement upward to hit this our resistance level on our odd JPY. So watch out for it this week. There's possibility it will actually tap this our support level before it actually goes up, and there's every possibility our price can actually reverse from here and go up on our odd JPY.